everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm glad to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. Let's get right into today's video. And as you can see, this video is from a monthly subscription service called Facetory. And they have two options. One is a Forever Fresh kit, and you receive 4 masks. The month-to-month is $8.90 with U.S. shipping included. And then they have 6 and 12-month payment options. And then they have a 7 Luxe kit where you receive 7 masks each month, and that's $19.90 a month with the same 6 and 12-month options. These are all Korean sheet masks. And they do also have a rewards program on their site. So, if you make purchases, you get points. You can check that out on their website yourself. And they do have a skin type quiz so that your masks can be personalized. And you can buy masks separately. So if you do receive one that you truly, truly love, you can go on their .com and make those purchases separately, which is nice. So if you really like one, you don't have to never worry about getting it again. And I do believe they inserted a little card here that November they celebrated their 2nd anniversary, their 2nd birthday. So they included this little card. And they do have a tip on here, which I thought was interesting. Do not leave on masks for over 30 minutes. When masks dry up, it will take back the moisture from the skin. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know if that'll focus. Just trying to see if we can get, okay, that's not going to focus. So, and then the second tip is use the remaining essence from the masks to, you just rub it in. You can moisturize your neck and your shoulders. Don't waste anything that's excess. So I joined for the month of November for the 4 mask, the Forever mask subscription service. So plus when I ordered, they did have a deal on the .com that if I put a code in, I got 3 free masks for joining. And sometimes they have that code for the 7 masks. And I think I saw one at the time of recording this that if you got the 7 mask kit, I think you got 5 free masks for, I'm assuming it's probably just for the first time that you join. So the first mask that was included, this is Oh My Goodness, and this is a rejuvenating snail mask. That kind of freaks me out a little bit, but I will give it a try. And a lot of the instructions, this one seems to have pretty good English on the back, which is good. It tells you all the information. And this, I do believe you only get 1 mask. Yes, 1 mask. So that's included. Oh my goodness. The second one is Look at Me. And this is an Aqua Moisture Raccoon face mask. And this is refining and deeply moisturizes. And this is for all skin types. And this on the back, as you can see, is not in the English language. I'm assuming that's in Korean. So that's the second one. The third mask is this one right here. And this is from Hey Lo. And this is a calming white mask. I'm trying to think if this... Yeah, it's just a calming white mask. So I guess it's just a calming mask for your skin. And this is, not in English. So a lot of these, like I said, are Korean. So you do get a card. I should have showed you this. You do get a card with your subscription that is in English, so that you can see the 4 masks that you get if you're in the 4. This mask is from Pure Skin, and this is a collagen lifting intensive mask. So collagen, we could all use that. And that, here's the back. Some of it's in English, which is good. And then the 3 free masks that I received, the first one And this is dual bubble tok mask. And this is from a company, I guess the company is Oseki. Well, I don't even know if that's right. And this is definitely, I wonder if this is like a little bit of, this is a dual bubble effect. And this is a leave on for 10 minutes, and this is a wash off type. Yes, and the back is not in English. Ooh, that's very reflective. I wonder if the mask is. Bubble masks are always fun and interesting. And this mask is SOS Water Bomb. This is a brightening mask, quick hydra effect. And this is probably not in English also. As you can see the back. And these, you know, they seem like they're halfway decent masks. I mean, this is the first time that I've ever got this service. I mean, I've seen it on YouTube. And this is from a company called Game Dong. And this is Karatica. And this is a gold duck's egg foil mask. This is nutrition and dual mask. I'm not really sure what that is supposed to mean. And this one is not in English on the back, so it's kind of hard to, you know, I would assume it's just your basic, you know, cleanse your face, put it on. It's probably a 15-minute, 10 to 15 minute max. And then it looks like from the picture, it's just, you know, just rubbing the balance of the material. And this, a lot of them I do notice they have like paraben free. They're, I'm just checking a lot of them. Yeah, a lot of them, you know, have the paraben free symbols. It's kind of hard because these are, a lot of these, like I said, all these are basically Korean masks. So there's the masks. I'll just fan them out here so that you can see them all. So I got 7 in my first kit, which normally you would only get 4. And then in my bag, because it comes in a bag, this is Duft and Doft, and this is Stockholm Rose, and this is a nourishing hand cream. And this is a sample size. And what I like is, has a safety seal, which is good. And I'm not going to take that off. I'm assuming it smells like rose. I have so many hand creams, I just don't want to open another one. Yeah, so that's a nice little bonus right there. So you receive that. And this bag, you know, you do get, and it's a resealable foil bag. You can close it back up. So it's good to store your masks in and, you know, keep them in your drawers or, you know, in your linen closet, your bathroom, however. But these are all the masks that I received for the month. And like I said, you get a card that explains everything for the 4 masks that you're supposed to get. It didn't give me any information for the 3 additional free masks that I got. And then included was this little tiny thing from Facetory. It's like a little, like a bow tie type thing. I really don't know what that is unless that's for their birthday. Since it's the same color here, like a little bow tie. I'm not really sure what that is. That was kind of cute. So this is the November 2018 Facetory face mask subscription. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.